One of the biggest problems that humanity is suffering from today is surprisingly insomnia. There are too many people, too many thoughts that everyone suffers from, because of which people cannot sleep anymore. But Nithyananda Yoga has a solution for you. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Shri Nithyananda Paramashivoham, has revealed 108 kriyas, yogic techniques, yogic processes combined with breathing, pranayama, to make you free from all sorts of diseases and problems. Today, we are going to take a look at the kriya that Swamiji has revealed to completely take care of all your insomnia. To start off this kriya, come to a laying down position on your stomach and bring your hands by your chest. We'll be doing Shalabhasana, which is the first step, by raising your toes off the ground as high as possible. Use your abdomen for support and hold this for 11 seconds. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha. Now slowly relax. Do this 11 times for the first step.
Now, in the same position as Shalabhasana, without lifting your legs, we are going to be doing 2 bandhas. First, inhale as deeply as possible and exhale completely. While exhaling, tuck your chin to your chest in Jalandhara Bandha, and then inhale your stomach inwards, pulling it as much as possible towards your back. Hold for as long as comfortable. When you're ready to exhale, lift your head up, removing the Jalandhara Bandha, and exhale slowly. And rest for a second before repeating. You can perform this starting off from 3 times up to 10 times.
Now, for the third step of the kriya, we will be combining the first step, Shalabhasana, with the second step, the Uddiyana Bandha, to do it. So start off by first exhaling as much as you can without being forceful. Bring your chin to your chest, locking the Jalandhara Bandha. Suck your stomach in the Uddiyana Bandha, and slowly raise your legs off the ground. Hold your breath for as long as you can comfortably before releasing the Shalabhasana. Release your Jalandhara Bandha and exhale, releasing the Uddiyana Bandha. This step 2, you can start off doing it 3 times up to 10 times. And there you have your care for insomnia kriya.